Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
Hello dear fellas, this is 𝐷𝐷𝐴slam.khokhar, the Fiverrologist, and I welcome you all to Freelancing with Fahad. In this video, I will be telling you what does the PLR article means, what does the term actually signify. The private label rights, if you check its meaning in Wikipedia, it simply means the reselling rights. For example, if there is a so and so person who has written a few articles and he puts the tag of PLR on those, that means you can buy those articles from that person and you can resell it to the next person. If you go to the Fiverr and check the competition for PLR articles, simply write PLR in that and then check what is the competition in the market. There are 1227 services available, which is a moderate competition, not much competition. But if you become even more specific about PLR, for example, if you write PLR recipe and search for it, you will see even lesser competition. You see, there are only 168 people selling the PLR recipes. These are the recipes that are granted the rights of reselling, PLR, private label rights. There are only 168, and you may see that these guys are getting orders 25, 64. These gigs are relevant to the term what I have searched, and there is not much competition. Similarly, if you'd go for the term like PLR ebooks, let's see what is the competition in PLR ebooks. There are 454 people selling this service, which is still very low competition. And this term of PLR is not just limited to the written content. You can check the PLR competition for the PLR videos. You see, this person is selling 1000 videos and 300 videos, 60 high quality videos for only $5. So the opportunities in the field of PLR are endless. Now the question remains how one can get all those PLR videos, PLR images, and PLR articles, ebooks, recipes, and so on. There are millions of websites on internet from where you can download all those, you can purchase all those articles, but I will tell you a smarter hack. uh, just open fiverr.com and buy these 60 high quality videos from this guy, 2000 images, 1000 videos from this person for $5, and get 1200 fitness PLR videos from this guy and from several other people, and combine all those and make your own gig. You might be thinking this will be illegitimate or unethical. No, trust me, this is not. These also people have done the same thing and they are selling the things of others. Since these articles, these videos are granted the reselling rights, you can do this as well. So I hope you must have liked this idea. If you have liked this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.
Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.